Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have a new product by Aimeili to review for you guys. Is this builder base in a bottle. So what is the builder base? A builder gel is one that you would use to extend your nails, okay, or encapsulations in a bottle. The typical builder gel comes in a jar, and these type, the ones that come already in a bottle like this, and obviously just like any other polished product with a brush here, they're very handy, convenient, and I will say I will recommend this great for beginners. This is a good way for beginners to break into using builder gels in extending your nails or even repairing any broken nails. And as you can see here, it does say on the bottle, it says it's soak off. So I am going to do here. Let me show you again. I'm trying to stay in focus. You can notice the viscosity. I am going to demonstrate how you will go about using a product like this, and you will want to use a form. So let's get started. So today I'm going to demonstrate the use of this product. I'm going to do it on my thumb. As you can see, I have reshaped my nails. I have a good length there on my left hand, not on my right hand, not just yet. But I'm going to give this one, my thumbnail, a little bit of a more length. And on an ideal application, you want to start out by dehydrating your nail. Here you can see by seeing the dry skin around my nail, I used alcohol. You may use a primer or any dehydrator prior to the application of the base or the gel, the builder gel, and a primer helps with the adhesion. But for the purposes of this example, I'm going to do only a temporary application, so I'm going to apply my cuticle cream that I normally use for just temporary wear of products like these. Okay, so here you see that I have the form in place, and I am going to start applying the product. You want to get as close to the cuticle as possible without touching the skin. And you know what? So I am noticing that right away that while this is a builder gel, it's not too thick, that making it hard for me to apply, where normally a builder gel you have to do the different, oh sorry, I was out of frame, a different type of application with your brush and going back and forth because it's very sticky. This one is not so the case, so it looks like it's allowing me to do an application just as if it were like a regular gel polish formula, okay? And that makes it easy. So I'm going to continue here. Hopefully my form. I'm going to bring it out. This product is also good for just an overlay, guys. If I didn't want to extend my nail and just do an overlay, would be just covering my nail with this to help strengthen my nail, and then helps keep them long. I'm not going to worry about the shape. I know the product is hard to see against the form because it is clear. I'm not going to worry about the shape until after it is cured, and then I can just shape it by filing. Okay, so after you've done the initial cure of that first layer, it's okay. Now you may go ahead and remove the form. And here you can see that's your extension right there. So now you can remove your paper form. There's no need to continue working with that, because from this point on, now you can work on the structure, better structure and shape of the nail with the product. So you can see where you are it's in need of more product and you want to build your apex. Okay guys, so here's the nail completely done and built, and I went ahead and cured it. The very last final cure, I give it a minute. In between layers, I did 30 seconds, but to finish this final layer, I went ahead and gave it a full minute. Now let's go ahead and file and shape. Guys, so here's the extended nail after I completed buffing and shaping the filing. There you can see it was very easy to file. You can hand file this product very easy. It's quite a soft product. So let me go ahead now. At this point you will want to finish it with, I'm going to go ahead and finish it with my Aimeili No Wipe Top Coat. And here it is out of the lamp. That top coat cures for 30 seconds. Guys, you can see, look at the clarity of that builder base gel. Very, very clear. So like if you have very short nails and you want to do those clear tips, this will work really well for that as well. But yeah, I have to say I'm very pleased with this product. I like the convenience. Again, I like the convenience of any builder gel in a bottle with already, you know, having your own brush, not having to find it. The great for travel options, a great travel option as well. And so as far as the base, it is a soft, not as thick as a traditional builder gel, but it self-leveled nicely. I was able to build my apex there. You can see I will probably like it. It will make it even easier for a gel overlay and give your nail good strength. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me this product to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.